Alright guys, well today I'm gonna try Longanisa Calumpit, which is basically a variant of the original Pinoy sausage Longanisa, but instead of this one being sweet like the regular one, this is more of a saltier, spicier version. So I kind of do like that. I'm interested to try it out and see how it is, especially the spicy part. Definitely would be great. So I gotta try it out, see how it is, and I hope I love it. And do I recommend it? Let's see if I will recommend it or not, because this does look very promising to me. Again, these do look very promising. It has the edible cases. When you cook it, it's gonna be all right. It's tied up in the rope. You know, no need to be cutting up the sausage links and all that. It's already done for you. All you need to do is just put it in the oven or fry it or whatever you want to do. But you know, tasting this, it has a salty, spicier taste, which I really love. It's very different. It's more reminiscent of a Mexican chorizo, but we're gonna see how it is later on. Alright, let's see how the longanisa is. Ooh, that looks nice actually. Yeah, that looks perfect. That does look good. Yep, definitely done. You hear that? Done. Perfect. Oh man, that does smell nice. Let me test her out here. You always test the biggest one. So, here you go, big boy. Yeah, that looks nice. Quite delicious. This is really fucking good. So yeah, giving it a superb fucking taste testing. Longanisa Calumpit. It's not the sweet version, it's the saltier, spicier version. I wish it was more spicy. It's just not sweet at all. So definitely it's a little bit reminiscent of a chorizo. But of course, I mean, if you cook it up with some eggs like that, oh my lord, it's gonna be great. But this is good. Yeah, a little garlic flavors, meat. It's really delicious. Today we're having chicken Kiev garlic butter, brought to you by fucking Tesco. How does this look now? It came from the oven, so basically, let me turn on the lights. There it is. The chicken Kiev. No, it's glory. Let me see how it looks like from the inside. Wow, that is crispy and juicy. Of course, I gotta let it rest. I'm a dumbass. Definitely smells delicious. Just like the picture. Today's food is made from Tesco pork sausages, succulent pork sausage, blah blah blah, cooked from 20 minutes. I like to use the oven as usual, and let's see how it is. Look at those yummy sausages. Where are you gonna find that in the Philippines? It's definitely something to think about while you're living here. Got some nicely made sausages. Yeah, very delicious. Nice and soft. Not the American type, but for sure it's something. Just for 20 minutes. You cook it for 20 minutes. I make it at 250 degrees, 250 Celsius, 20 minutes, and it's perfect. That's all you need, really. 25 minutes, 190 degrees. 23 to 25 minutes. Let's see. Put inside. There. Get the pizza. That's not bad. Cut. Definitely not a bad looking pizza. Nice, crusty. And definitely done. Oh, shit, let's see how this works. Some pies. Hopefully it's pretty good. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, I'll try it out later on. I don't know. Let's try it out. This one's pretty well done. You can hear the crunch. It's a decent pie. Yeah, that's a decent pie right there. It's from, yeah, it's pretty good right there. Definitely nice. 30 minutes in the oven. It's perfect. All right. Let's see how this is. Calamares. That looks good. Let's see how it is. That's a lot of food. I'm recording. Yeah, that is nice. Doneno restaurant. It has all the side dishes, which I don't really know what they are. I know there's like glass noodles and stuff here. Yeah. And it comes with herb pork. So right now the pork is cooking, you know, you can set it up or whatever. And it's pretty nice. An extra filter. And I'm drinking San Miguel Light. Then they're gonna say, "What are you doing? Why are you there in the video with the asshole guy?"
Oh, really?
Huh?
Really?
What do you mean, really?
You're gonna ask you?
No, ask you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I don't mind.
That Andy Omar guy is an asshole.
Like who? RDK? Oh,
Yeah.
he's gonna, you know, he's gonna ask you, you know, he's gonna bash you.
No, he's not. He's hiding.
Is he deported?
Huh?
Is he deported now?
No, he's about to be.
Gotcha, bitch!
Not yet.
Oh, then no, not yet. He will get fucked. But what I'm interested is in this right there. That is yummy.
Ang taba pala. Ikat pala mo. Ikakat na lang ito na. Ha? Ikakat na na. Sabi ang yung cheese po dito, no? Kahit sa mga smarts po wala.
What I like about it is mostly the garlic.